I'll be taking that. We are in luck. Yes.
They're solid, man.
Dude. Okay. Let's freaking do it. Here you go, sir. What for your track? That is what I'm talking about. Literally an automatic stick. I bet that's what they did.
Get rid of it.
This baby is a new one. That's a new one.
This is day 2 of fixing on the Eclipse and making it look like less of a piece of crap. This is a banana peel.
This is a motor mount because the engine keeps shaking. That's an ice cream container, and this is a stereo. Okay, except this time we can't rip it off.
Oh, that's better.
Yes. Oh, dude.
It's kind of nice.
That is way nicer. We got this key from the junkyard, but no way. But it doesn't turn. We can use part of mine. Because as you guys can see down here, this one is broken. He said that the other stick knob was better.
Might not think so. What?
Mine does. I'm going to plug this in and see if it works. No way. You the man. Well, we got more problems. And that's how you get it done. What is this sign? Do you guys know what the sign is?
We have 2 choices. Green and black.
Green. Go E! Oh, that actually worked. What the? That's the emergency. Oh, man. We're gonna put, yeah. I'm thinking freaking 10 minutes.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, that's right. I never even turned on the key. I forgot. You have to give it electricity. Here goes nothing.
Dude.
No way.
She's on.
No way.
What can we not do?
What can we not do?
Just put on your blinker. 3 things we replaced. Stick knob. Oh, I put it in 6. Just kidding, that's reversed.
Glove box holder.
Glove box holder. Boom, that stays.
So much better.
And all this crap.
The stereo.
That's not supposed to happen.
That's not supposed to happen. He's got it. Got it, which means this thing is loose. Look at that. That's not supposed to happen.
Not really new, but it's you picking.
It's
special.
Look at it. It actually like doesn't move.
All right.
Do the after. Right on. Oh yeah. Flex. That does not need fixed. Hey. How do you like it? Yeah?
That's better.
Yeah? Oh, no chunking.
Look. Looks nice.
Roll up your window.
What's up, guys? I am in a Mitsubishi Eclipse. It's a 2000. It's the year 2000, which is actually a very rare year for this car. It comes with a 5-speed manual and a 1/2-inch... Never mind.